If you're experiencing approval delays on Wise, there are several steps you can take to expedite the process. Follow these steps to help resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your account status. Log into your Wise account and verify that there are no alerts or notifications regarding your account status. Ensure that your account is fully verified and that all required documents have been submitted. Step 2. Review transaction details. Examine the details of the transaction that is delayed. Make sure all information, such as recipient details and payment amount, is accurate. Incorrect information can lead to delays in processing. Step 3. Contact customer support. Reach out to Wise customer support through their official channels. Provide them with your transaction details and explain the situation. They can offer specific insights into the delay and help resolve any issues. Step 4. Check for system updates. Visit the Wise website or their social media pages to see if there are any announcements regarding system maintenance or updates. Sometimes, delays can be caused by technical issues on their end. Step 5. Be patient and follow up. After taking the above steps, allow some time for the issue to be resolved. If you do not receive a response or the delay continues, follow up with customer support to check on the status of your transaction. By following these steps, you can effectively address approval delays on Wise and ensure your transactions are processed smoothly.